Well, between over the other adults.
Oh, I almost sneezed.
Not you two.
We are now in our lodge. So, first impressions, the lodges here are much nicer than in our previous videos from Sherwood. Now, obviously we appreciate this is much newer than Sherwood, but the layout is really good. So, we're going to take you for a walking tour around our lodge in just a moment. But the lodge we're in 826 and 825 in Maple area, and wildlife is really good already. So just outside, we've got squirrels, we've got blue tits, there's all sorts of different birds out there as well. Yeah, so good first impression for the opportunity to get some good wildlife in this lodge. Okay, so mine and Sam's lodge is 825. This is it from the front. So first impressions, these are much nicer looking than the ones at Sherwood, like I previously said. Secluded off the road. Obviously there's no vehicles on site after sort of check-in day, but yeah, so there we are, just down there. So outside you get 6 bike racks. So in our video from Sherwood a few months ago, there were only 4, which made it a little bit difficult, so we had to chain bikes to bikes. Now obviously the chance of theft at Centre Parcs is probably quite small, but at least we've got 6 here for all 6 bikes, so that is a plus. So we're going to go into the lodge, and that's kind of like the equipment room, boilers normally in there, those sorts of things. The first bedroom, which is the double, is a great size. You get a TV, hairdryer, wardrobe storage. You've got plug sockets by the bed with USBs, which is good, especially for someone like me who's got camera equipment to get sorted. And we've also then got an ensuite. So the ensuite is quite big. So definitely no complaints there. In terms of linen, you get 2 hand towels and 2 bath towels provided, along with a floor mat. So winning so far. The reception area comes with a dining table for 6, a 6-seater sofa and a chair. So that chair, not the most comfortable normally, but we'll have a look. I'll let you know later on. You get a small TV, and currently there is still a fireplace. Now they are taking the fireplaces out in lots of different accommodation, so there may not be one in your accommodation when you arrive. In terms of the kitchen, we're not going to do a list of everything you get within, but in this one, it is an induction hob. So some of the modernisation works at Sherwood have started to put gas hobs in, which unfortunately are much better than the induction ones that we've got here, but we'll make it work. This is the family bathroom. Again, decent size, got everything that you're going to need. And then we've got 2 twin rooms. So twin rooms aren't en suite, but you get all the same bits in terms of storage, plug sockets, USBs, hairdryer. Happy days. And this is the other one. So in terms of space-wise, it's going to work really well for us because we are in this lodge, me and Sam, and then a family of 4. So it'll split quite nicely. The 2 twins are at one end and the family bathroom, and the double and ensuite is at the other end. Each room is individually climate controlled, so if you've got someone that wants to be cool and someone that wants to be warm, you can do that, which is really good. It's not kind of one temperature fits all. And then finally, out onto the patio. So outdoor table for 6, a barbecue stand for a disposable barbecue, and fortunately for us, some woodland. So the opportunity for wildlife is really good in this lodge. Obviously we'll put some footage in throughout of what we actually see, but so far loads of squirrels, loads of birds, those sorts of things. Let's hope for some deer and a badger. All the times we've been to Centre Parcs, I've never had a badger at the lodge, so yeah, let's hope this time round. So in this lodge, behind the chalkboard, so for entertainment, they do give you the chalk as well. So lovely message to sort of come into. But behind the chalkboard, you have got some amenities. So we've got a high chair and a travel cot, an airer, along with some cleaning bits should you require them between sort of arrival and departure. Oh, and an iron and an ironing board. What's one of them?